welcome. Glad you're able to join me. My name is Mike. I'm a Transport Canada certified advanced drone pilot, videographer, photographer, and several other titles that we won't get into today. So my lovely wife reminded me that this is the Easter weekend, and so for those of you who do celebrate, happy Easter. For those of you who don't celebrate, happy spring, even though it is snowing outside today. So I've put together a short video of some spring flowers and other spring type shots I've done over the years, and hopefully you guys enjoy the video. And remember, once you're done, if you could hit one of the thumbs, preferably the one pointed up, it does help out a lot. Comment and subscribe if that's something you're into, and remember, you can follow Gradient Imaging on Facebook and Instagram. Links will be in the description below. So until next time, bye-bye.